Hi, this is Mr. Weston. Today we're doing a Khan Academy tutorial on the 3 measures of center, which are mean, median, and mode. These will tell you about what the typical of the data set is, and they're all useful for different things, which I'll explain in probably another video another time. But for right now, let's just get right into the problems. The first one being, what is the mode of the following numbers? So we have a data set here, and I'm going to be honest, even if it's not median, which I'll talk about when that problem comes up, I think it's useful to order the numbers. And the reason why is it allows you to see which ones you have repeats of, etc. So it really makes it a lot easier to look at the data when you put it in order. So even if it's not a median problem, I think it's useful to order all the numbers together from least to greatest. Okay, so we have our data set here. I don't know what that number is. I think that's just a little arrow. But my point is we have 2 3s. Now, why is that important? Well, because the mode is equal to the most, and they both start with that MO. That's the way to remember it. MO is most. So the most or the mode is 3. There's 2 3s, and all the other numbers have just 1 data point. So 3 is our mode. That is the most common number in our data set. So we're just going to put 3, we'll check it, and move on to the next question. What is the median? Okay, so median, I was saying, is you have to order these numbers. So let's order them first, just like we did with the mode. So I have 3 4s here. I'm going to cross those off. This one's a little bit easier to see because it's fewer, and I have 2 6s and then a 10. Okay, so our mode would be 4, but it's not asking that. The reason why it would be 4 is because there's 3 4s. The next highest is 2 6s. But that's not how we find the median. The median is the middle. So we need to find where is this middle, somewhere in here, okay, probably in this area, of our data set. So how we do that is we just kind of crossed off one at a time. So here's the left, right, there's 1. Left side, right side, 2. Left side, right side, 3. And we can't do it again because we arrived at our middle number, and that is 4. Now, if you have an even number of data points, you might arrive on 2 numbers. Like, for example, if you have something like this, you go left side, right side, 1, left side, right side, 2, but there's nothing left inside. We would want to find the middle of these 2 numbers, and that would be 4.5. Again, that's not for this problem, okay? But right now, the middle number, because it's an odd number of data points, is 4. And we arrived exactly on it. What is the arithmetic mean of the following numbers? So when we're talking about mean, we are talking about the sum divided by the count. So the sum is just all the numbers added together. It kind of helps sometimes putting it in order, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to go straight across here. Plus 6 plus 7 plus, should not have said that, plus divided by, and the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So it's divided by 7 because there's 7 data points. The count is just the total number of data points. All right, so I have to do some addition here. So I'm going to call that 30. Then we got another 15 here. That takes us to 45. Then we have 51 with that 6, and then 59 with that 8. So let's just double check. 10 plus 10 is 30, plus 15 is 45, 51, 59. Now, and there's 7 data points, so I need to divide that by 7. That's not one of the ones that's super easy. I wonder if how many decimal places they want it. So let's go ahead and get out a calculator. I'm going to do 59 divided by 7, and I get 8.42. Now, mean is one of the most common ones you'll see. You'll see that in like average points per game in sports a lot, or average rebounds, or whatever it is. So I'm going to just go ahead and type 8.42. No, it runs to 8.43. I don't know what it's going to ask for here. There we go. 8.43 worked. What is the mode of the following numbers? Okay, so we have mean. That was when we had the sum divided by the count. The median, where we find the middle. And the mode, which is the most. So I'm just going to write that out. So mean equals sum over count. Median equals the middle. And mode, I think that's the easiest one, is the most. Whoops. Okay. So what is the mode of this one? Well, we got 3 tens. This one's super obvious. We don't even need to order them just because there's so few. 3 tens, that is going to be the mode. The median, we have 5 numbers here. This is going to make it easy because it's an odd number. So we're going to go 5, 6, 6, 9, and 10. Now the reason why you have to put it in order is if you just scramble this up, you would get different numbers each time for the median. But if you put it in order, there's only one way you can do that. Okay, another way to do this too is you kind of go like, you bump it over each time until you land on the same number. So this one is 6. So 6 is our median. 2 more to go. The mean. So we're going to have to add these all together. So let's go, let's come up with a good system here. So I have 8 and 7, that's 15, plus another 5, that's 20, plus another 9 and 6, that's another 15. So that takes us to 35. Plus 6 is 41, and then plus 3 is 44. Now what's my count? So that's my sum. I need to divide by my count, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I divide that by 7. So I need to do 44 divided by 7. Get out my calculator for this. 44 divided by 7 is going to be slightly under 7. 6.29 looks like. 6.29. Oops. There. Okay, last one. The mode, and this one is another easy one to end on. Most is the mode, and we have 3 4s, 2 6s, 1 10, 1 1. So the 4 is the most common number. And that's all there is to it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and ask your question or any feedback. And make sure to check out some of my other videos on this topic, and I look forward to seeing you next time right here on Wes Explains Best.